Hey guys, David here from Segway Powersports Global. Today we're going to take a look at using the four-wheel drive system that's fitted to the Snarler AT6. It's designed to handle loose rocks, gravel and deep mud with ease. To engage the four-wheel drive system, simply press the red button on the right-hand control unit. The front and rear axles will now work in unison to drive all four wheels. Should the terrain become more demanding, press the blue button on the right-hand control unit to lock the rear differential. For the worst conditions in terrain, move the lever to the right and depress the yellow button to lock the front differential. With the front and rear differentials locked, Snarler is capable of conquering even the most extreme terrain. Thanks for watching guys, and we hope you have fun out there on your AT6. Head over to our website powersports.segway.com to find out more.